High blood pressure, hypertension, and clogged arteries can lead to serious cardiovascular problems, but a balanced diet can support heart health by lowering blood pressure and reducing plaque buildup in arteries. Certain foods contain nutrients that actively promote healthier blood flow and combat inflammation. Here are 5 of the best foods to incorporate into your diet for lowering blood pressure and maintaining clean arteries. 1. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are packed with nitrates, which help dilate blood vessels and lower blood pressure. They are also high in potassium, a mineral that balances sodium levels, further aiding in blood pressure reduction. The fiber in these greens helps reduce cholesterol absorption, which is essential for keeping arteries clear. Leafy greens are versatile and can be added to salads, smoothies, or enjoyed as a side dish, and lightly steaming them can enhance nutrient absorption. 2. Berries. Berries, particularly blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are rich in antioxidants and anthocyanins, compounds that improve blood vessel function and help lower blood pressure. Anthocyanins relax blood vessels, ease blood flow, and reduce arterial stiffness. The fiber in berries also helps manage cholesterol levels, promoting clear arteries. They're delicious in oatmeal, yogurt, or as a snack, and they make a nutrient-dense addition to any meal. 3. Oats. Oats contain beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that binds to cholesterol in the digestive tract and helps remove it before it enters the bloodstream. This cholesterol-lowering effect has been linked to lower blood pressure and reduced arterial plaque buildup. Oats are also beneficial for stabilizing blood sugar levels, which is important for people with conditions like metabolic syndrome or diabetes that increases heart disease risk. Oats are best enjoyed as oatmeal or blended into smoothies, with unsweetened whole oats providing the greatest benefits. 4. Garlic. Garlic is a natural vasodilator, meaning it helps relax and widen blood vessels to improve circulation and lower blood pressure. Allicin, a compound in garlic, is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant that fights oxidative stress, contributes to plaque formation in arteries. Garlic has also been shown to lower cholesterol levels, which further supports clean arteries. It can be incorporated into soups, dressings, and stir-fries, and while raw garlic has the strongest benefits, roasting it can mellow its flavor if needed. 5. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce blood pressure, decrease triglycerides, and prevent plaque buildup in arteries. Omega-3s also combat inflammation in blood vessels, which lowers the risk of atherosclerosis, hardening of the arteries. Including fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week has been associated with a lower risk of heart attacks and strokes. Grilling or baking these types of fish, or using them in salads and sandwiches, is a heart-healthy way to enjoy them. Incorporating these 5 foods into your diet can greatly benefit your cardiovascular health by naturally lowering blood pressure and supporting clear arteries. Pairing these foods with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and healthy lifestyle habits amplifies their effects. Always consult with a healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have underlying health conditions, to ensure optimal results.